Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. This is the girl Aketina Evan, the mushroom crown princess. And if I'm holding this, I guess you know what we are going to learn today. Yes, we are going to make a still air box. So as a mushroom farmer, one of our challenges is getting a clean environment to produce our tissue or do your tissue work. So if you don't have money to afford the laminar flow or the machines to get a sterilized room to produce your tissue, there is a cheap or improvised method that you can use, that is using a plastic, rubber or basin to create a still air box. So today we are going to learn the simple way we can create our still air box to game up our tissue production, our tissue culture, our mushroom tissue production. Yes, so it's simply still air box on my mind. To start with, you first of all have to consider your working area. So your working area will be down, and then where you look through will be up. So in this case, my working area is going to be the lid of my container, and the other part will be the place I will look through whilst working, because that part is white and is clear and easy to look through. The next thing is to create our two holes, and we are going to do that with the help of a circle shape black lid, and then also with a marker, and then we'll draw the shape out and then later cut it with a knife. So I will heat the knife to get hot, and then I'll use it to cut the shape out. And then we are going to use the PVC electrical tape since we want to seal them off, so that it can enable us to put our hands inside and bring our hands out without giving a large space area for bacteria or any organism to enter. So hit on the subscription button if today is your first time passing by to join the lovely team. This is the Fungi Kingdom, and I am your princess, the crown princess of the edible fungi kingdom. And thank you, lovely viewers, for always coming back. I love you all. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Sit down, take your seat as usual, and let me take you through. So we are going to start by measuring our hole or creating our hole. So you put your shape based on the size that you want it, how big or small you want the hole to be. And then we are going to use our marker to draw the line around it. This is it. And we'll draw the second one. So we are done drawing our two circles, and the next stage is to cut the circle out. So we'll be using hot knife to cut the shape out by tracing the circle. So I've hit my knife very hot, then I'll create the shape. Just passing through it. So you have to do it slowly until it's nicely cut. So I have to go and hit it again. Oh! So we are done with one side, and we'll do the same thing to the inner part. Then we'll do this one. We have to cover this side too. I nearly forgot one thing. Okay, so after fixing all this my tape, I used a blade to cut it, and to cross section I cut it. Okay, so that's it. So that you can put your hand inside. You can put gloves on your hands, then you put it inside there. the working area well sterilized. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is our still airbox and it's ready to be used for weight. So I'll be using it in this direction. This will be where I'll look through, and then my working area will be here. Okay, so it's very simple and easy to do, and I would love it if you also do your own. So please do it and then send it on Instagram and tag me with it. Okay, so I'll leave my Instagram link in the description box. So try and do that. It's all about learning, and my goal is achieved when you also do it in your home and then you accomplish something, you accomplish your goal too. So try and do it and then tag me on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and this brings us to the end of today's learning. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and leave your comment at the comment section. Anything that you don't understand, anything that is bothering your mind, leave your comment at the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Until I see you in my next video, it's bye bye, the mushroom crown princess.